Thinking about investing in Bitcoin but not sure if you're too late? Here's what you need to know. Bitcoin has been around since 2009, and in that time its price has skyrocketed, crashed, and bounced back more times than most roller coasters. So is it too late to jump in? Here's the thing. Bitcoin is the world's first and most popular cryptocurrency. It's limited. Only 21 million will ever exist. That scarcity is part of what gives it value. Some people see Bitcoin as digital gold, a way to store value outside of banks or governments. Others see it as risky and unpredictable. And honestly, both sides have a point. Bitcoin's price can swing wildly. One month it's up, the next it's down. If you invest, be ready for a bumpy ride. But remember, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can start with as little as a few dollars. So, is it still worth investing? That depends on your goals and how much risk you're comfortable with. Some experts say Bitcoin could keep growing in the long term, others warn it could just as easily drop. Bottom line, only invest what you can afford to lose and take time to learn before you buy. Bitcoin isn't a guaranteed win, but for some, it's still an exciting opportunity. The decision? That's up to you.